Hey guys, so how to reference data from one Google spreadsheet into another spreadsheet. So what you need to do, so for example, we want to import in this cell A5 some data from sheet 2 A1. So I will just show you how it's done via like some formula, and then you can just use your mouse. So in order to reference some data, you just type this, then sheet name, exclamation point, and your cell number, so A1. And then you got the data from this sheet, this cell. There is also an easier way, so you just type equals and then select a required cell from other sheet. So let's just select cell A3 and then just press enter, and here it is. So your data was referenced from another sheet in Google Sheets. So this is how it works. This principle is used in numerous functions across Google Sheets, especially lookup function, where you can import and compare data from different sheets. But yeah, this is basic stuff. Hope it helped.